Everyone says AI image generation costs money, but Google just made it free for all US users, and your competitors probably don't know yet. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed, founder of Digital Dev. Today we're diving into Google's biggest move in marketing automation this year, completely free AI image generation through Gemini. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this cuts your design costs, speeds up your creative workflow, and what you need to do to capitalize on it before your competition catches up. Let's go. So here's what happened. On June 29th, 2026, Google officially rolled out free, personalized AI image generation directly inside Gemini for all US users. This isn't a beta. This isn't limited. This is live, right now, and it's changing the game for any business that creates visual content. For context, before this, if you wanted quality AI-generated images, you were paying. Midjourney costs about $10 to $30 per month minimum. DALL-E 3 through ChatGPT Plus is $20 a month. Adobe Firefly has limited free credits. But now, Google's giving you unlimited generations inside Gemini, free. Here's what makes this different. These aren't generic stock images. Gemini's personalized AI image generation learns from your style, your brand, your specific requests. You can say, generate a product photo of our new coffee mug in a minimalist kitchen setup, and it understands context, lighting, composition. One click. Done. No designer needed. The timing is wild because according to recent data, small to medium businesses spend an average of $5,000 to $15,000 per month on design work. Whether that's freelancers, agencies, or in-house designers, that's a massive line item in most marketing budgets. Google just said, we're eliminating that for image generation. Let me break down what this actually means for your bottom line. If you're running paid ads, you know this. Fresh visuals matter. Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, they all reward new creative. The average business refreshes ad creative every 2 to 3 weeks to fight ad fatigue. That means new product photos, mockups, lifestyle shots, banner designs. Before Gemini free, here's your workflow. Brief the designer. Wait 3 to 5 days. Get revisions. Go back and forth. Finally approve. Cost per campaign. $300 to $1,000 in design time. Now, you open Gemini. Write a detailed prompt. Get 4 variations in 30 seconds. If you don't like them, regenerate. Unlimited tries. 0 additional cost. Here's a real number. If you run 4 ad campaigns per month and each costs $500 in design work, that's $24,000 per year. With Gemini, that's now part of your free Google account. That's $24,000 back in your pocket. At Digital Dev, we help businesses identify exactly these kinds of automation opportunities, and this one just fell into everyone's lap. But it gets better. Speed equals agility. You're not waiting a week for designer availability. You're testing new visuals the same day. That means faster campaign optimization, faster A/B testing, faster scaling. We're talking about compressing 5 to 7 days of creative work into 5 to 7 minutes. Let's get specific about what Gemini can generate for you right now. This is the practical stuff. Product mockups. You can feed Gemini a simple product image and ask it to place that product in different environments, on a desk, in a coffee shop, held by someone's hand. What used to require Photoshop skills or expensive product photography shoots. Now it's one prompt. E-commerce businesses are going to absolutely dominate with this. Social media graphics, banner ads, Instagram posts, Pinterest pins. Gemini can generate on-brand social content in seconds. You define your brand colors, your style, and it stays consistent across all generations. No more back and forth with designers about brand guidelines. Website visuals, hero images, section dividers, background graphics. Instead of paying for stock photo subscriptions or hiring a photographer, you're generating custom visuals that match your exact messaging. Email marketing creatives. Subject line performance matters, but so does image performance in emails. Gemini can generate multiple variations so you can A/B test visual styles without any design overhead. The key limitation? It's still image generation, so it's best for stylized, conceptual, or semi-realistic content. For hyper-realistic product photography of complex items, you might still want professional photos. But for 80% of marketing visuals, Gemini covers it. Now, I'm not going to sit here and pretend this is perfect. There are real limitations you need to know. First, it's only free in the US right now. If your business operates internationally, you might have limited access depending on your location. Google will expand, but we don't have a timeline. Second, quality is good, but not perfect. Sometimes Gemini generates weird proportions, odd lighting, or text that doesn't render correctly. You're going to need to regenerate. But even with regenerations, you're still faster and cheaper than hiring a designer. Third, copyright and training. Google's AI models are trained on internet images, and there's still legal gray area around whether AI-generated images infringe on artists' rights. For your marketing use, you should be fine. But keep an eye on this space because regulation is coming. Fourth, and this is important, you still need a human eye. Just because you can generate unlimited images doesn't mean every image is marketing gold. You need someone on your team with creative judgment deciding what actually makes the cut. The tool is faster, but your creative strategy still has to be solid. Okay, so you want to capitalize on this. Here's the exact workflow. Step 1. Open Gemini, gemini.google.com, or the mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Step 2. Write detailed prompts. Instead of make a product photo, say, generate a product photo of a sustainable water bottle in matte black. Show it on a wooden desk next to a laptop, shot from a 45-degree angle, natural daylight coming from the left, minimalist aesthetic, modern and clean. Specificity wins. Step 3. Generate 4 variations. Gemini gives you multiple options per prompt. Don't settle for the first one. Step 4. Iterate. Don't like the lighting? Regenerate with adjust the lighting to be softer and more diffused. You're in control. Step 5. Export and use. Download the image, upload to your ad platform, email tool, or website. Done. Step 6. A/B test. Because you can generate unlimited variations, test multiple visual styles against each other. What resonates with your audience? Double down on those styles. One pro tip: save your best prompts. Create a document of winning prompts for different image types. Then you can reuse and remix them for future campaigns. This is exactly the kind of marketing automation process we build for clients at Digital Dev, streamlining creative workflows so your team can focus on strategy instead of execution. Here's what Google's really doing. They're democratizing design. For decades, having a professional-looking marketing presence required budget. Budget for designers, budget for photographers, budget for stock photos. Now, any solo founder, any small business, any startup can generate professional quality visuals for free. This is going to accelerate the entire marketing landscape. Businesses that adopt this quickly will move faster, test more, and find winning creatives quicker. Businesses that ignore it will be left behind. The competitive advantage isn't in having the budget for design anymore. It's in having the strategy and speed to iterate. So here's what I need from you. Comment below. What's the first visual you're going to create with Gemini? Are you thinking product mockups, ad creatives, social posts? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Second, subscribe so you don't miss our breakdown of the next AI marketing tool that's about to change your business. We're staying on top of these drops so you don't have to. Third, if you want to scale your business with AI automation, whether it's images, email sequences, customer outreach, or lead qualification, visit mdigitaldev.com. We help businesses build custom AI workflows that save thousands per month. Let's talk about what's possible for your business. Next week, we're breaking down how to build a fully automated lead qualification system using AI. This is a game changer if you're in sales or running a service-based business. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.